Israelites, do not confuse the times of sorrows for Jacob's trouble. Remember, sorrow is another way to say hardship. Jacob's trouble is the great tribulation. Nothing we are experiencing today will compare to the trouble that will come upon our people in the great tribulation. Nor is the disasters happening in the heathen nations today or the reserved judgment on the nations. The earth is groaning and will continue to do so until the times of the end. Israelites, I don't want you to think that you have plenty of time to get your house in order. Nobody knows when the end will be. However, the Most High has given us signs to look for to let us know where we are.